Wagwan family, welcome back to the 876 Zone TV. It's me, Anisha, and the song that I'll be doing for this video is a throwback vibe. We don't know it already. Groovin My Girl by Richie Spice. And who don't know that song, yeah, we not miss out. So without further ado, guys, let's get into the video and let's do this. Play a tune. Yeah, me telling about them song. If me could have pulled them up 1 million times, me pull them up. But me have to pause it, so back to the tune. To tell you this, my girl, right here, rise. How much I love you and I dare no lie. If I don't get your love, I think I'm gonna cry. I will keep you moving, my girl. Grooving my girl. Comment down below and tell me when you hear that tune, how you feel. Can me just feel lovey-dovey for no reason. That's the influence of music, bros. Play a tune. Oh, if I can see the angel in your eyes. Ooh, my God. Pause. Please forgive the shininess. My face is glistening. Yo, me just come out of the kitchen, people. You see me? Play a tune. Groovin my girl. Oh, I can see your love light shine so bright. Love is a gamble, but it's a game I wanna play. Oh yeah, hey, hey. I know it's a gamble, but that is one of my favorite lines in this song. Love is a game, but it's a game I want to play with you. You know, I don't know if feeling go already, you know, meet somebody who wanna like, and you know, feelings start take over and a young love and see it, you see me? You know, care everywhere, you know, care him go everywhere, not show him to everybody, not show her to everybody. You know, don't know it's how you go already. Play it tune. But I know I won't lose my love for you. No, oh, I will take you by your ring, make you understand. Me no know how them bobo ya can sing in a man. Where they find them lyrics ya? Eh? When them a meditate? Must, cause yo, this song is timeless, it's endless, it's a classic. Yo, play a tune. In your eyes, grooving my girl, moving my girl. Eh, eh. I can see your love light shine so bright. Oh yeah. Pause again for no reason more than me have to just pause and say something, but you don't know it already. Yo, me a sweat out help on the video. Play a tune. Oh girl, oh yeah, oh yeah. See the angel in your eyes, girl, your love light shines so bright. I don't get your love, I think I'm gonna cry. You mean you're mine. Moving my girl, grooving my girl. Yeah, yeah. I can see the angel in your eyes. Grooving my girl, moving my girl. Pause again. What can I say? I don't have anything negative to say about this song. Me no bias or nothing, because he's a Jamaican artist, but me not negative to say about the song. The song just nice. Play a tune. Oh, oh, I can see your love light shine so bright. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Oh Lord. Girl, I love you.
much I love you and I dare no lie. If I don't get your love, I think I'm gonna cry.
Yo, me a sweat out hell, people, fam. Yo, like me say, me just come out of the kitchen, me just cook up some dinner, you see it, mom life, thug life, when I don't know you go already. And me say, yo, me have to go jump on and do a video for that week, because I do nothing last week, because online classes a beat me, yo. So me have to day here and I supervise with 2 kids. So I don't know where you go already, so just bear with me, people, you see it, play tune.
I will keep you moving, my girl. Grooving my girl. Oh, oh, yes, I can see the angel in your eyes. Grooving my girl. Grooving my girl.
I song done. So there you have it, guys. Groovin My Girl with Richie Spice. Like, comment, share, subscribe, join up the thing and build up the thing, you see me? And me not itch, me I go run in for the next video so I can get something for that week, you see it? So once again, it's your girl Anisha and I am out, guys.